Okay, so we're back in the Audi, up under the car, and zoom back a bit. So it's sump here. There's this little bracket here. Yeah, so sump fans. This little guy here, and that's the crank pulley there, and this little guy here, this little cover sort of misaligned, so we'll try and realign that and see if that fixes squeaking. Take up this bracket, realign this, so might be onto something here for this mechanical rubbing noise. Let's see. You can see up here, sort of come off, this cover's sort of come off the crank. I think it might be rubbing on there somewhere. Okay, so this mount here, it was sort of impeding on this guide here. I noticed this bracket is not on here, so I think the engine's been moving around a bit without the rod on it like this side. So yeah, I'll have to find where that is, but I've given it, just did a little bit. I'll give it a spray of WD-40 and see if that takes away the squeak. I think that should be the issue. Alright, let's give it a little start now. See if that mechanical rubbing is still sort of there. Let's see. Alright, so I found maybe why she didn't want to start. These spark plugs are gone. They're very sooty. So I'll get some new NGKs, which I have here. And let's put these in. Alright, let's put some new NGKs in. Coils back on. I reversed these coils around too. They were this way. I've turned them this way to take away from the heat source. Alright, let's give it a start. Let's give it a start now. I've changed the spark plugs. Let's see if it starts. There we go. Yay! First time. Awesome!
I didn't know.
Let it warm up a bit, get a bit of heat into it. But yeah, that's great. Let's have a look at the engine bay. You know, don't play with that. Okay, looks like that mechanical noise is gone. That little fix I did was good. These all over again, mate. Was the spark plugs pop first time. Mechanical noise is good.